Welcome to the ultimate foldable showdown. Today, we're diving deep into two powerhouse foldables, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 and the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. Both pack stunning displays, top-tier cameras, and blazing processors, but which one truly stands out? We'll compare their screen sizes, camera lenses, CPU performance, display resolution, chipset, battery capacity, display technology, selfie cameras, durability, external displays, memory options, video recording capabilities, and, of course, price. Can the Galaxy Z Flip7's sleek design and balanced specs beat the Razr 60 Ultra's powerhouse chipset and jaw-dropping display brightness? Or is the Razr's premium features worth the extra cost? Stick around to find out which foldable deserves your money and which one might just be overrated. The Galaxy Z Flip7 offers a slightly more compact main screen at 6.9 inches with an impressive 88.7% screen-to-body ratio, compared to the Razr 60 Ultra's 7.0 inches but lower 84.1% ratio. This means the Flip7 maximizes usable display space better, giving you more screen in a smaller footprint. Both boast a 50MP wide camera, but the Galaxy Z Flip7's dual-pixel PDAF combined with OIS ensures sharper, steadier shots in varied lighting, making it the standout for everyday photography. The Razr 60 Ultra's octa-core CPU with blazing 4.32 GHz cores outpaces the Flip7's 10-core setup, delivering superior raw performance for gaming and multitasking. The Razr 60 Ultra takes the lead here with a crisper 1224 by 2912 pixel resolution and higher pixel density, sub 464 ppi, making visuals sharper and more immersive than the Flip7's 1080 by 2520 pixels. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the Razr 60 Ultra offers cutting-edge efficiency and power, edging out the Flip7's Exynos 2500 in real-world performance. With a 4700 mAh battery, the Razr 60 Ultra promises longer usage times compared to the Flip7's 4300 mAh, perfect for heavy users and longer days away from the charger. The Razr 60 Ultra's foldable LTPO AMOLED display shines brighter with a peak of 4500 nits and a super smooth 165 Hz refresh rate, surpassing the Flip7's 2600 nits and 120 Hz, delivering vibrant colors and buttery scrolling. Motorola's Razr 60 Ultra stuns with a massive 50MP selfie camera, dwarfing the Flip7's 10MP, ideal for crisp, detailed self-portraits and video calls. Both phones share IP48 dust and water resistance, but the Flip7's Armor aluminum frame adds an extra layer of ruggedness, giving it a slight edge in durability. The Razr 60 Ultra's external display is a visual treat with Dolby Vision, 165 Hz, and 3000 nits peak brightness, outperforming the Flip7's 4.1-inch Super AMOLED cover screen. The Razr 60 Ultra offers a wider range of memory configurations, topping out at 1 TB with up to 16 GB RAM, compared to the Flip7's max 512 GB and 12 GB RAM, catering to power users and heavy multitaskers. Razr 60 Ultra supports 8K video at 30 FPS and Dolby Vision HDR, a clear advantage over the Flip's 4K Max, making it the go-to for videographers craving ultra-high resolution. The Galaxy Z Flip7 comes in at a more affordable $1,099.99, while the Razr 60 Ultra demands a premium $1,300, raising the question, is the extra cost justified by the features? Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7.